Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can create QR code for your photos on Google Photos to share them with your contacts or friends really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your Google Photos account, for example, in the web application. Make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply select the photo or photos from your library you would like to share through a QR code. To do that, let's say, for example, click on a photo or item like this one here with your left mouse. And after that, click on that share icon here at the top and click on create link here to create a shareable link by clicking on that button. Wait for Google Photos to create that link. And that's basically it. Now you can copy it, open that link in a new tab, for example, or simply head over to a QR code generator like this one here, any other you use, and select link here. After that, enter or paste the URL of the shareable link here of your photo. Wait for the given generator to generate your QR code, and that's basically it. Now you can make a screenshot of it or take a photo with your mobile device, or simply download the QR code in PNG or JPEG format on your account. And that's basically it, guys, or let it send it to your email address here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.